What's up, everybody? So, the new month, and we just had a pullback across the broad market. And when you look at the market, you see bonds are down, gold's down, equities down, oil's up, and dollar is up, and crypto's up. That is a really strange situation right here. And it's coincident with the negative news around Iran, and maybe is also the reason to have some kind of selling pressure across the market. However, if I see this kind of setup, and if it were a really negative news, and that influence on the market projection, crypto should have been sold, because cryptos are the weakest asset. It is the most sensitive asset against the risk factor. So as cryptos are surging pretty nicely, I am questioning, is it really risk-off environment or not? And I see risk-off sentiment as not really in the market. It's not a really important theme in the market right now. And this kind of pullback is, I understand it as a healthy pullback, and I don't know how deep this pullback is going to be. Maybe it stops right here and rebound today, or maybe it gets deeper through this week. I don't know. However, some good professionals are seeing this pullback as the buying opportunity. So I'm expecting to see how the market develops from here, and having this kind of a pullback is really pleasant for me, because it creates the opportunities to get in for the long side for equities and other currencies other than the US dollar. So this is how we see it right now. I hope this coin turn out to be a really beneficial way, but currently I expect crypto to surge higher, because Bitcoin is tapping 80,000 again. Usually, if the significant market structure 80,000 touched, it turn around and get back to the other market structure closest to the downside. But it didn't acting right now. It didn't act like that. It tapped 80,000 and pulled back a little bit and tapped it again. That means it tested it again, and if it break it above and hold it above, and bullish sentiment win, and it will go out higher to aim to reach the next market structure above 80,000. So I'm expecting Bitcoin will lead crypto market higher, and other altcoins and meme coins also will follow Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that's my expectation today. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next episode. Peace.